Hey, what's up guys? I'm Arabi and welcome back again. In this time we will talking about the first lesson of UV mapping. And in this course we will focus on how we can analyze the shape and make the best UVs to your model. So let's go and let's map it. Okay guys, this sheet I created before to collect all the point and the information that we will cover it in this lesson. So I will make sure to attach it in the description just in case I forget something. So in lesson 1, the first thing we will talking about it is understanding UV. So what is the UV? UV is the operation which allow you to convert the shape from 3D space to 2D space. And that means if you want to draw something on any surface, you need a flat surface. For example, in this good example, unwrapped UV is this paper that has a 2 dimension, the width and the height. And that gives you the ability to draw on it without any deformation when you use a pencil. That is happening in the same thing when you use the pencil or painting in 3D to painting on your surface here. In this model you have to convert it first to this example. In the bad example, this is the opposite way. The wrinkle paper here is equaled this bad UV. So in the bad example you definitely can't draw on it or set any decals. So what you will learn in this course, in this lesson, the first point we will cover here is prepare the model for unwrap, and the second one is analyze the shape, and the third one is cut based on the shape, and the last one is find and cut the 90-degree edge of gaps that will make stretch on your model because it helps to hide the seam when painting. So let's go and check the first point. Okay guys, so let's prepare the model for unwrap, and first thing we will open the UV editor from here and start work with it. Before we start, I want to mention some of this shape, and that because every time you're going to unwrap any shape you will deal with it. So let me start with first shape here, and just I'm going to isolate it from this button. And now all what you have to do is select the shape and go to UV tab and delete UV. And this process I will do it every time I'm gonna to unwrap any shape, and that just to start with clean shape. Then we will go once more time to convert the shape from 3D space to 2D space by click on camera based, and this let you to pick the shape based on where is the camera locked to. Now we prepare our mesh to cut, so let's go to next point and analyze the shape. So in this point guys, I want you to divide the shape to the 3 parts, and the first part here is start, and the next one is the mid and the end, and this will make the process of cut so much easier for any shape. So let me show you how you can do this. I will pick the start and the end and hover over here and shift right click and create UV chill. And this process let you to cut the start and the end from the body or from the mid level of the shape. Then drag it here to see it and start unfold it by shift right click and unfold. And now we just have the mid part, so I make this simple sheet to understand how we can cut it. So if you notice, this shape closed in itself. So if you want to unfold it, you have to cut any of these corners. So let's approach this in 3D, and I will grab any of these corners, and from UV editor shift right click and cut. And the mid part, I will select it again and unfold it. If you notice, this ratio in 2D, it is not matching the same ratio in 3D. So how we can fix this? Just going to select the mesh again and unfold it once per vertical and once per horizontal. Now we finish this shape and unfold it full. So let's try the same technique in this shape, and first I will prepare it again, delete UV, then convert it, pick the start and the end, going to the UV tab and shift right click, create UV shell, then unfold it, then in the mid part I will pick the edge and cut, then unfold it. So this will be our technique to cut any shape you will face it in 3D. So I hope you guys find this lesson as easy as I can, and I will cover the last point in the next lesson. So please subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it for me in the comment, and see you in next one. Bye guys.